they don't have a home because they're hobos.
Oh, that's why.
Get it? Because they start with an H, and hobo rhymes with the hydrogen. Bad joke. Bad joke. I understand.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
but okay. So basically, we know that we have 6. We want this double bond to be. Well, we want lower numbers, so maybe we start here with 1. Where's my chlorine? Is this my chlorine?
Where's my
Oh
pool?
god. Your pool.
Yeah, chlorine. Chlorine goes in
Oh.
pool. Where's my pool?
Oh, my pool.
Wait,
Okay, I'm
wait.
gonna remember that on my exam.
You just see chlorine come up on your exam. Ah, yeah, the pool joke.
The pool joke. This is good stuff.
This
Okay.
is good content.
So Grace, we're gonna say it's 1 dash 2 dash. There's 2
Wait,
of
you
them.
said dash. This is a comma.
Okay, anyways, dichloro. It's gonna be dichloro, and then it's gonna be dash. Dash 4 dash.
I'm so helpful.
Hexene. Is that an option?
Look, the options are up here. Go look at your options.
Oh my god, I forgot about
You need your cis and trans. Get your cis and trans.
Okay, let's ignore these for now. These don't matter. These really don't matter.
I think
don't
they
even want to see them.
You kinda...
No, first of all.
Are you cis or are you trans?
It can't be this one. It can't be this one. It can't be what's the difference between the difference is cis and trans.
Yeah, that's why it matters.
This one does not matter and this one does not matter. So we're between these two. Okay. Now we have to look back. We have hydrogen. Wait, the difference between these two. I don't understand.
Let me see. Wait. The only difference is that one is cis and one is trans. No, I'm just saying that one of them. I'm just telling you because you wanted to know the difference.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
I have to see.
let's say cis and trans. Then are trans.
Are you giving me a lecture?
Okay, Blue, do you know what cis is?
No.
Blue, this is what you are. This is what Tony is.
Tony
Okay, now we
entered the chat.
need to put this into what is this? Chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. So basically, there is a 1 here and 2 here. Is this right?
I don't know. Explain it to me. I'm not the one taking chemistry.
Okay, basically, how many ligands do we have here? I don't know how many ligands. We have 2. Oh, let me say it's trans. I don't actually change my mind. It's cis. This is my answer.
That's awesome because that's incorrect.
Wait, which one? Are they both? This one's the right answer?
No.
They're both wrong?
You crossed out the wrong. You crossed out the right one a long time ago.
So it's one of these two.
Yeah, you need to pick one.
It's this one.
I'm not giving. You need to pick one.
I'm choosing the trans 5,6-dichloro-2-hexene.
Do you know why?
My reasoning is because I have 2 chlorines, which makes it trans.
Great. I'm glad we figured that part out.
And then instead of counting 1, 2, we want to count it from here. So the bond here is 2, like it belongs to 2 and not 5. And 3, what's the other number? Uh-oh.
You wrote so much over it.
It's 5 and 6, I think, or is it 6?
That's
Grace,
just 5,
can we
6.
get a new one?
Blue, you
That's
can
a
just
5, 6?
you can just
Oh.
you can just very gently.
I forgot.
Just delete it all.
This one. 5.
Let's get rid of that.
Wait. Okay, no, it makes sense. That makes sense. This makes sense. Okay. Wait, is it trans because it's 2 though? What happened if it was just 1? Would it be cis? Okay.
I don't know.
I'm asking this later. Let me just like write this down.
Okay, you got it though. You got the question. We're moving on.
I got the question. We're moving on. Why is it trans and not cis?
The next.
Whoops. Dichloro.
Oh.
Something.
Okay, you're gonna need like the entire board.
What?
1 second. Let me let me just get this. And then
Grace.
Blue.
I'm not ready.
No, you're gonna be ready. You're gonna be ready. Okay. First, I will give you the image that goes with it.
Why are there multiple sections?
This is the image.
Oh.
And this, nope. And this is the. Wait, that's so large. How do you minimize it?
You just grab the corners.
Okay.
Grace.
So, anyway, here you go.
Grace. Provide the oxidization state of the central metal ion in the complex below. Then give its coordination number. Then draw the 3-dimensional structure of the complex. Then give the d orbital diagram. And then state whether it's paramagnetic or diamagnetic.
I added this last part.
Ask to draw zoom screenshot below is correct. Okay, I'm gonna draw.
Okay, we're gonna do it one step at a time. So
yes, the oxidization state of the central metal ion, which is this thing.
All right.
Actually, that's not right. That is your ligand. It's this thing. Why are you laughing?
Because you said it so confident. It's like you just went. All right, so we're gonna start here. Never mind. Like that's what you did.
No, listen. This is copper. This is copper. Okay, copper's our friend.
Okay.
Actually, I don't even think it's copper. It's cobalt.
Oh my god. It's cobalt. Do you want like the little oh my god, the like diagram of like all the metals and stuff in this
periodic table?
Yeah, do you want like the periodic table?
Grace, can I share my screen for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
I need you to see something.
Okay.
Do you see my screen?
You've had it on. Oh wait, it's your background.
It is my background.
So
I
why
can't move
did you
this
not
sword.
get cobalt? Where is cobalt? It is.
Um,
So how did you
it's
not?
right here. It's right here. See, look, I thought it was
Wait, what's
copper, but
what's
copper's
copper?
for
Where's
you.
copper? Copper
This
is
is
with a U.
Anyways, look, I was so right. I was right. Okay, great.
Yeah, after the second guess.
Yes. Anyways, let's go back to our drawing.
Yeah.
So it's cobalt, and do you want to know what the NH3 is? Let me practice, and it's ammonia. This is ammonia. Pame.
However you spell it. Pneumonia.
Oh, pneumonia? No, Grace, that's the wrong one. You're talking about the like disease.
Pneumonia.
Yeah, that's what you were talking about, but this is ammonia.
Close enough. They both got.
Close enough. They got
They got.
4 different letters. Okay,
It's
so
fine.
great. My charge, my oxidization number is,
Mhm.
I want to say it's 3 plus, like the positive 3. Is it right? Is that right? Is it 3?
Blue.
No, no,
I,
no. Stop, stop,
I'm
stop,
not the
stop.
one
Don't say a
taking
word.
chemistry. I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't. Wait, the oxidization state. Oh, this is so bad, Grace.
Hey,
This is
hey,
so
just
bad.
look at this area right here. Just this little underlined bit.
Provide?
The
I don't
entire
know.
underlined area. Not just provide.
The oxidization state of the central metal ion.
Do you
Grace.
just would provide? Like
I was super lost.
provide.
Provide? Wait, Grace, we're gonna do this.
Okay,
We got
copper.
this. So it's pneumonia, cobalt.
it's it's Canovia. It's Canovia.
Okay, this breaks down into cobalt plus pneumonia. There's something called the
You
crisscross
got it,
method.
pneumonia.
Okay, the crisscross method, this 3 is gonna shoot down. No, wait. The 3. The charge of cobalt, I think.
Mhm.
Wait, if it's 6 right here, okay?
Uh-huh.
That means that means it would go here. So cobalt actually has a 6 plus. Wait, but if we have the equation like some 6 plus
Yeah, I'm
something
going upstairs.
equals 3. You know what, Grace? I'm already lost. I
Oh my
cannot
god.
do this. You know what? But my answer's gonna be 3.
It,
Okay, let's move on to the next step. Coordination number. Grace, I don't know what that is.
um, well, apparently you used to.
What?
I have a screenshot of like you solved this entire thing just with your past quiz. You have the answer key.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I just like erased all of it and then gave you.
Oh, no, 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 Grace. What you saw was the professor's
Oh,
answers.
okay. Well, then I have his answer key.
Yes. Yes, you have his answer.
So,
Oh, okay, wait. This is a transition metal question. Okay. So I have to give. Oh, I understand now. So basically, he drew a box, right?
so basically, a box.
1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, a box.
Hmm.
The charge is 3. So therefore, we Grace, I need the periodic table. I need an image of the periodic table, please.
Wait, oh, on here?
Yes.
Oh my, I don't. Let me go. Wait, I gotta find one.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, that's in all caps.
Oh, it's in all caps.
I like googled it with all caps. Okay, wait. Eh. Hopefully this is a good. Hopefully this is a good image. I feel like it's not. Wait. Let me see if I can find a better one.
Let me see if I can find a better one.
Well, I mean, like, do you need to know what they stand for?
No.
Okay. Then wait. Let me see.
I need to know what they stand for. What a funny question. Clearly, I understood what copper was.
You can walk clearly.
Okay, transition metals was lecture 29. Oh wait, Grace, I actually have it. I have something.
Well, I took.
Oh. Well, I
Hold
took.
on 1 second.
I took. Oh, S block. This is so helpful. This is actually unbelievably helpful.
Okay.
This is so
You have work
good.
tomorrow, right?
Grace.
Okay. Here.
Grace, can you snip tool the screenshot I sent and just script snip the table?
What?
In the Discord, the chat. I just need you to snip tool the table.
Let me see. Oh, wait. How do I get out of What do you mean snip tool?
Like, aren't you on Windows?
Yeah.
Search up snipping tool.
Oh. Yes, I have. Okay.
And now just snip the table.
Oh, just the table. I did the entire thing.
It's okay. We have our moments.
But I'm gonna have to.
I have more moments.
I'll
Did you
put
go?
this in, but then I'm gonna have to go. Oh
Dinner?
no, I have to dinner. It's 10 o'clock.
Oh.
I have
Oops.
to sleep.
Okay. How many questions were left? How many did we get through?
Well, that was what there was two more questions, but they were like the same thing where it was like providing is like an open-ended thingy. Oh my god, how do I get back? Oh, reload. Okay, let me get rid of this.
Yeah, I'm gonna get dinner when you go, and then I'm gonna make a schedule for what I should do tomorrow and probably go to his office hours.
Okay.
I'm so in the dumps.
Okay.
I live in
Periodic
the
table.
dumpster.
Here's your periodic table.
Thank you, Grace.
You're welcome. Okay, I gotta go.
Okay, Grace, thank you.
You're
We shall do
welcome.
this tomorrow.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, hopefully this thing saves. We'll title it Science.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good night, Grace.
Good nighting. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Bye.